my last question to you is, if you had to give one advice to the millennials in this book, so that they get their dream career, their dream jobs, what would that be, sir?
Good. I'll just build up to that statement so that I said that right, and I'll use the messages I've given earlier. Friends, one thing is very clear: the opportunities are plenty, competition is plenty. You cannot be everywhere and be the best everywhere. So you individually have to decide on your focus and what you want to do in life. And once you have decided what is my destination and the journey path is defined, then you have to work on how to get there. So what is defined? How is defined? By when is defined? So you start with your foundation. You build on your foundation. Only then can you reach the top floor and the terrace. And that is the leadership position. It can vary for people. It can be a vertical head. It can be a divisional head. It can be an MDCO. And I wish all of you all the best for an MDCO or the vertical head position. But unless your focus is clear and you work on it, and the message I want to give is very clear. And let me not give a message. Let me give a quote here, with your permission.
Sure, sir. Sure.
If you think you dare not, you won't. If you think you dare not, you won't. If you want to win, but you don't have the confidence, you certainly won't. Life's battles always do not go to the strongest and the fastest person. Sooner or later, the man who wins, including females, okay, it's a common statement. Sooner or later, the person who wins is the person who thinks he can. So you have to have belief in yourself. You have to have confidence in yourself. You have to prepare yourself. And one mantra which will differentiate you vis-a-vis everyone else after you have done this is passion. जोश, जुनून, passion के बगैर जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं हो सकता. And if you have the josh, junoon and the passion, and you do your work with this kind of direction that I've spoken about, life will be fun, working will be fun, and you will not be working for a single day of your life, because every day will be enjoyment and fun. So that's the message I want to give.
What a beautiful message, sir. Thank you so much. On behalf of all the viewers, I would like to thank you for taking out time and sharing these amazing insights, which will definitely help all of us go a long way in our careers and in our lives. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you so much for coming on our show, eCharcha. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for calling me. Friends, it's been lovely. I can't see you. I would love to meet you all individually during the course of our careers or in society. But I wish each one of you all the very best in life and in your careers. Thank you so much.